Hey, welcome viewer. Today we are going to talk about Amazon Inc. corporate company's interesting facts, history, finance, revenue, products and service. Amazon Inc. is an American multinational technology company based in Seattle that focuses on e-commerce, cloud computing, digital streaming, and artificial intelligence. It has been referred to as one of the top 4 or 5 technology companies by share price. It has been referred to as one of the most influential economic and cultural forces in the world, as well as the world's most valuable brand. The Amazon Sphere is part of the Amazon headquarters campus in Seattle. Trade name: Amazon. Formerly Cadabra Inc. 1994 to 95. Type: public traded as NASDAQ AMZN. NASDAQ 100 component. S&P 100 component. S&P 500 component. Industry: cloud computing, e-commerce, artificial intelligence, consumer electronics, digital distribution, self-driving cars. Founded July 5, 1994, 26 years ago in Bellevue, Washington, U.S. Founder Jeff Bezos. Headquarters. Area served. Worldwide. Key people: Jeff Bezos, Chairman, President and CEO. Werner Wergels, Store. Products: Echo, Fire Tablet, Fire TV, Fire OS, Kindle. Services: Amazon.com, Amazon Alexa, Amazon App Store, Amazon Music, Amazon Prime Video, Amazon Web Services. Revenue $280.522 billion United States dollars as of 2019. Operating income is $14.541 billion as of 2019. Net income $11.588 billion United States dollars as of 2019. Total assets $225.248 billion United States dollars as of 2019. Total equity $62.06 billion United States dollars as of 2019. Number of employees 840,400 as of 2020. Amazon is known for its disruption of well-established industries through technological innovation and mass scale. It is the world's largest online marketplace, AI assistant provider, live streaming platform and cloud computing platform as measured by revenue and market capitalization. Amazon is the largest internet company by revenue in the world. It is the second largest private employer in the United States and one of the world's most valuable companies. Amazon was founded by Jeff Bezos in Bellevue, Washington, on July 5, 1994. The company started as an online marketplace for books but expanded to sell electronics, software, video games, apparel, furniture, food, toys, and jewelry. In 2015, Amazon surpassed Walmart as the most valuable retailer in the United States by market capitalization. In 2017, Amazon acquired Whole Foods Market for $13.4 billion United States dollars, substantially increasing Amazon's footprint as a physical retailer. In 2018, Bezos announced that its two-day delivery service, Amazon Prime, had surpassed 100 million subscribers worldwide. Amazon distributes downloads and streaming of video, music, and audiobooks through its Prime Video, Amazon Music, Twitch, and Audible subsidiaries. Amazon also has a publishing arm, Amazon Publishing, a film and television studio, Amazon Studios, and a cloud computing subsidiary, Amazon Web Services. It produces consumer electronics including Kindle e-readers, Fire tablets, Fire TV, and Echo devices. In addition, Amazon acquisitions include Ring, Twitch, Whole Foods Market, and IMDb. Among various controversies, the company has been criticized for technological surveillance overreach, a hyper-competitive and demanding work culture, tax avoidance, and anti-competitive practices. History of Amazon. Jeff Bezos founded Amazon in July 1994. He chose Seattle because of technical talent as Microsoft is located there. In May 1997, the organization went public. The company began selling music and videos in 1998, at which time it began operations internationally by acquiring online sellers of books in United Kingdom and Germany. The following year, the organization also sold video games, consumer electronics, home improvement items, software, games, and toys in addition to other items. In 2002, the corporation started Amazon Web Services (AWS), which provided data on website popularity, internet traffic patterns and other statistics for marketers and developers. In 2006, the organization grew its AWS portfolio when Elastic Compute Cloud (EC2), which rents computer processing power as well as simple storage service (S3), that rents data storage via the internet, were made available. That same year, the company started Fulfillment by Amazon, which managed the inventory of individuals and small companies selling their belongings through the company internet site. In 2012, Amazon bought Kiva Systems to automate its inventory management business, purchasing Whole Foods Market supermarket chain 5 years later in 2017. Board Directors. As of November 2019, the Board of Directors is Jeff Bezos, President, CEO and Chairman. Rosalind Brewer, Group President and COO, Starbucks. Jamie Gorelick, Partner, Wilmer Cutler Pickering Hale, and Daw. Daniel P. Huttenlocher, Dean of the Schwarzman College of Computing at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Judy McGrath, former CEO, MTV Networks. Indra Nooyi, former CEO, PepsiCo. John Rubinstein, former Chairman and CEO, Palm, Inc. Thomas O. Ryder, former Chairman and CEO, Reader's Digest Association. Patty Stunisifer, President and CEO, Martha's Table. Wendell P. Weeks, Chairman, President and CEO, Corning Inc. Merchant Partnerships. In 2000, U.S. toy retailer Toys R Us entered into a 10-year agreement with Amazon, valued at $50 million per year plus a cut of sales, under which Toys R Us would be the exclusive supplier of toys and baby products on the service, and the chain's website would redirect to Amazon's toys and games category. In 2004, Toys R Us sued Amazon, claiming that because of a perceived lack of variety in Toys R Us stock, Amazon had knowingly allowed third-party sellers to offer items on the service in categories that Toys R Us had been granted exclusivity. In 2006, a court ruled in favor of Toys R Us, giving it the right to unwind its agreement with Amazon and establish its own independent e-commerce website. The company was later awarded $51 million in damages. In 2001, Amazon entered into a similar agreement with Borders Group, under which Amazon would co-manage Borders.com as a co-branded service. Borders pulled out of the arrangement in 2007, with plans to also launch its own online store. On October 18, 2011, Amazon.com announced a partnership with DC Comics for the exclusive digital rights to many popular comics, including Superman, Batman, Green Lantern, The Sandman, and Watchmen. The partnership has caused well-known bookstores like Barnes & Noble to remove these titles from their shelves. In November 2013, Amazon announced a partnership with the United States Postal Service to begin delivering orders on Sundays. The service, included in Amazon's standard shipping rates, initiated in metropolitan areas of Los Angeles and New York because of the high volume and inability to deliver in a timely way, with plans to expand into Dallas, Houston, New Orleans and Phoenix by 2014. In June 2017, Nike confirmed a pilot partnership with Amazon to sell goods directly on the platform. As of October 11, 2017, Amazon Fresh sold a range of Boots branded products for home delivery in selected areas. In September 2017, Amazon ventured with one of its sellers JV Appareo Retail owned by Putney Group, which has recorded a total income of $104.44 million United States dollars, 759 crore rupees in financial year 2017-18. In November 2018, Amazon reached an agreement with Apple Inc. to sell selected products through the service via the company and selected Apple authorized resellers. As a result of this partnership, only Apple authorized resellers may sell Apple products on Amazon effective January 4, 2019. Amazon Product and Service. Amazon.com has a number of products and services available, including Amazon Fresh, Amazon Prime, Amazon Web Services, Alexa, App Store, Amazon Drive, Echo, Kindle, Fire Tablets, Fire TV, Video, Kindle Store, Music, Music Unlimited, Amazon Digital Game Store, Amazon Studios, Amazon Wireless, Amazon Finance. Amazon.com is primarily a retail site with a sales revenue model. Amazon takes a small percentage of the sale price of each item that is sold through its website, while also allowing companies to advertise their products by paying to be listed as featured products. As of 2018, Amazon.com is ranked 8th on the Fortune 500 rankings of the largest United States corporations by total revenue. For the fiscal year 2018, Amazon reported earnings of $10.07 billion United States dollars, with an annual revenue of $232.887 billion United States dollars, an increase of 30.9% over the previous fiscal cycle. Since 2007, sales increased from $14.835 billion to $232.887 billion, thanks to continued business expansion. Amazon's market capitalization went over $1 trillion United States dollars again in early February 2020 after the announcement of the fourth quarter 2019 results. Amazon's total employees now number 798,000. Controversies. Since its founding, the company has attracted criticism and controversy for its actions, including supplying law enforcement with facial recognition surveillance tools, forming cloud computing partnerships with the Kia, leading customers away from bookshops, adversely impacting the environment, placing a low priority on warehouse conditions for workers, actively opposing unionization efforts, remotely deleting content purchased by Amazon Kindle users, taking public subsidies, seeking to patent its one-click technology, engaging in anti-competitive actions and price discrimination, and reclassifying LGBT books as adult content. Criticism has also concerned various decisions over whether to censor or publish content such as the WikiLeaks website, works containing libel and material facilitating dogfight, cockfight, or pedophile activities. In December 2011, Amazon faced a backlash from small businesses for running a one-day deal to promote its new price check app. Shoppers who used the app to check prices in a brick-and-mortar store were offered a 5% discount to purchase the same item from Amazon. Companies like Groupon, eBay and Tap.it countered Amazon's promotion by offering $10 off from their products. The company has also faced accusations of putting undue pressure on suppliers to maintain and extend its profitability. One effort to squeeze the most vulnerable book publishers was known within the company as the Gazelle Project, after Bezos suggested, according to Brad Stone, that Amazon should approach these small publishers the way a cheetah would pursue a sickly gazelle. In July 2014, the Federal Trade Commission launched a lawsuit against the company alleging it was promoting in-app purchases to children, which were being transacted without parental consent. In 2019, Amazon banned selling skin lightening and racist products that might affect the consumer health. Interesting fact about Amazon: the company was originally called Cadabra, like the magic term abracadabra. But Jeff Bezos' lawyer told him that the magic reference was too obscure, and when you say it out loud, cadabra could be mistaken for cadaver. Eventually, they came up with the name Amazon, a reference to the river in South America. The idea was that their selection of books would be vast and wide, just like the world's largest river. They did have many other names in mind and still own one of the domains. If you type in relentless.com in your browser, you will be redirected to amazon.com. When Jeff Bezos first started the company in 1995, it was just a bookstore run out of his home garage. So when Amazon opened their first physical bookstore in 2015, it was staying true to the roots of the company. Amazon's profits nearly doubled from 2017 to 2018, but the company hasn't paid federal taxes in 2 years. This is completely legal. The US government allows companies certain tax breaks and deductions. One policy, called the R&D tax credit, encourages companies to spend its profits on research and development. From 2005 to 2014, Amazon received over $600 million in tax breaks to build warehouses in certain states. It received another $147 million in tax breaks for building data centers around the country. Since you can buy pretty much anything on Amazon, it's worth mentioning the items you can't buy directly on the website. Full-size homes, cars, cigarettes, and live animals are some things you might have to leave your house to purchase. When you shop for shoes on Zappos.com or search your favorite actor on IMDb, you're making Amazon money. Other brands they own include Goodreads, Whole Foods, Audible, and Sog.com, an e-commerce site for Middle Eastern countries. In total, Amazon owns 41 subsidiaries and brands. Holiday season is stressful for the retail industry. Jeff Wilke, who was the operations manager in the early 2000s, had an interesting method to let out frustration. He would encourage his employees who had just accomplished a goal to call him, close their eyes, and yell at the top of their lungs like a primal scream. Amazon's employees love having their furry friends around the office. There are about 6,000 dogs that work at Amazon's campus in Seattle. It has always been a pet-friendly environment. There is even a doggy deck in one of the buildings with a fake fire hydrant. Amazon wanted a space for employees to get away from their desks to collaborate and innovate. In 2018, the company opened the Spheres at its campus in Seattle. The spheres are filled with over 400 species of plants from around the world. The plants are frequently rotated out and stored in a greenhouse nearby. John Schertler says that a link to nature is missing from workplaces. As the vice president of corporate real estate and facilities, he wanted to bring that environment to Amazon's culture. Okay friends, that's it our topics today. Join with Terraform always. Daily one very interesting famous topics will share with you. Please like, comment, subscribe. Share your friend and family. Thanks for watching.